I'm sorry, I'm recording again because I'm bored. Bored waiting 5 minutes. I can't be with myself for 5 minutes. It gets boring after like 20 seconds already. I get bored. And I walk like a little bit here and a little bit there. So yeah. This is a mobile phone antenna, by the way. I would never ever want to live nearby because there is the electricity from the station and this mobile phone bullshit. So now I show you my trick. So this is the train. That one wasn't the trick yet. My life hack is as follows. So here you see, it says first class, first class. So when I go here, this one ain't first class yet. So what is it I'm gonna do? I'll stay right here. So this is gonna be my seat. Cool, huh? Yeah. Whoa. This one is really heavy. I'm gonna be crashed once I'm home. But that's good because I'm just gonna do a uphill walk like once a week from now on. I hope. I'm gonna, yeah, be clever and not overdo it. And if I'm not running up there, it's not like cardio, it's rather like weightlifting, you know, it's building the muscles even stronger. Yeah, it's like weightlifting because that one really is heavy. So here we are again in the train. Oh, 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 oh. So I'm not living at the place that looks like this. Or this, or this. I live somewhere where it looks like this. You know? Like up there. Somehow, you know? Green, stuff like that. Nature, mist, bad weather, like rain. It might be raining up there right now. Yeah. Whew. So I get up there, then have a shower, then wait for the night to set in, and then I'll see whether this rose is blossoming. I'll videotape that one for the video. Gangster. I need the rose closed, the bud, and I need it open. And then I prepare for the next day. I could start with the pot already. I'm thinking about doing the pot in one day because of continuity of the light. Like if I start in the morning and end in the evening, I don't have breaks in the lightning. If it's just the natural lightning I'm using. So I'm just cutting it the way it happens. So I'll have bluish light in the morning and reddish in the evening, and no one will notice anything. Like when I go through my clothes, the closet as you might call it, sometimes a skirt, I go like, oh yeah, I put this t-shirt, a orange t-shirt to that brownish skirt. So that one I would like arrange like this in the evening, winter. Then in the summer I go like, how could I ever have matched these two, because they don't go together at all, because the skirt is brownish and all of a sudden the yellow looks brownish as well. So why is that? Because there is more red in the light during summer. you know? So the orange of the skirt gets mixed with this more reddish light. Oh well, that actually gets more orange, so it's the other way around. So in winter I would take away that shirt and go, how could I ever have arranged these two together? Because I never want to have two brownish things wearing two things like skirt, trousers and top that kind of look the same. I want it to be different, like same color but different shade, if that one makes sense. So I want to have a contrast, but I don't want it to be too big. So because women don't like contrasts at all, but men actually like contrasts very much. So if I dress for me, I would just go like a Smurf, all blue, all red, all this or that. But because I don't want to look like a Smurf, I go having something like brown for a skirt, and then for a shirt I would choose a color that is slightly lighter than the skirt. Like I did right here, I have black and then slightly lighter would be gray. Yeah. Well, that one is not really... I didn't put too much thought into my clothes because this is, you know, I'm sweating and I'm washing this once a day, so it needs to get dry quickly and not get broken when I wash it too often. So yeah, I realized that there is different kinds of lights throughout the day and throughout the year. So in winter it's more bluish, in summer time it's more reddish, in the morning it's more blue, and at night when the sun sets, when the sun goes down it's more blue, reddish. So that's why the blue lights from the LCD, the monitors and stuff, keep you awake at night, because they are bluish and you should have reddish light in the evening to not prevent the melatonin from coming. Yeah. So yeah, that's a funny thing, like me going through my closet and then seeing all the clothes and then going like, oh yeah, you know, they're like arranged in a way so that if I'm in a hurry, I just pick a skirt or a pair of trousers, and all the things that go with it are already grouped nearby. So I just grab a pile. That's how I'm organized. And I really don't own a lot of things. It's just for summer maybe 3 pairs of shorts. I have I have 1 pair of trousers that go like when I go hiking in bad weather, and then like snow trousers, like when it's cold I take those, and then 2 skirts. A leather one I'm gonna throw away. I'm gonna use it in a video of mine dancing for J'adore l'internet, for this song, and then I'm gonna throw it away. I haven't worn it ever, so because I'm not wearing it I sort of decided I want it in a video, and then I'm throwing it away. Yeah. So here we have a station. The train normally stays here for 6 minutes or something, like really waiting. Kind of annoying. Yeah. So yeah, I pass by the closet and then I go like, oh nice, all the things that I own. But there are skirts I have never worn at all. Summer skirts, a grey linen one and a orange linen one that I have fabricated from a mid-age dress. I once got linen mid-age dresses, 2 of them with a lot of fabric, that would be really difficult to wear because they were like one piece. So when you're sweating, you need to wash the upper part every day. So that's kind of annoying. So I cut them in the middle apart, and now I've got two separate skirts, and the tops I threw away. Yeah. So yeah, I go through my closet and I love it a lot. It's like when there is a rainy day, I got perfect clothes. For hiking, I got perfect clothes. For cycling, perfect clothes. If I need to go to a what's the word? If you bury someone, if someone has died, I haven't got the perfect clothes for that. Or a wedding. I haven't got clothes for a wedding either. I would have to take linen bed sheets and put them together so that I could go. I wouldn't go. That's the solution to it. I'm not into these kind of festivities. For an open air, yes, I got the perfect clothes because I got rubber boots. What else do you need? Basically to all the possible weather conditions in Switzerland, I got the perfect clothes. Even for snow days, 18 centimeters of snow, and I need to shovel my way through it every day. Yes, I got that. Ooh. Yes, so there you go, another video with some nonsense, blah blah, because I'm bored. Yeah, it's that I'm not reading anymore while traveling, not writing anymore while traveling, because it's like, you know, stuff has to happen, and then if I write it down, I have a good book. But if I do sketching on the way, like while traveling, that one won't work. What would I make sketches of? Trains? You know, I need a human model, and so on. So I'm not wasting time on that, and also not on any media like reading or magazines or audiobooks or any sort of music. It's all art someone else has produced. So I'm into my stuff, so I go through my things like, oh yeah, what do I need to do next? So yeah, when I get home, I have it already prepared. The clay and a plate is on the table, the broken camera, so I will go and just start the pot. I will do a mug and the pot to go together. Yeah. So that's how it looks like up there. Ooh. Yeah. And it'll be a funny pot. It'll be one that is kind of not symmetric. Symmetric would be just like this, like a square. But mine will be like a Raute, maybe, you know, like when you push the square to one side, then it goes like this. So this form, you cannot really put in too much water. It'll fall over. So that's the clue about the pot. Yeah. The jar as well. So bye bye.